Are you considering a hair transplant but unsure about the pros and cons? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to our channel where we delve into the truths behind various cosmetic procedures. Today, we're tackling the topic of hair transplants, the good, the bad, and everything in between. First and foremost, hair transplants can significantly boost your confidence and self-esteem. For many individuals experiencing hair loss, regaining a fuller head of hair can be life-changing. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about reclaiming a sense of identity and feeling comfortable in one's own skin. Getting a hair transplant was one of the best decisions I've ever made. It's given me a newfound confidence that I didn't have before. Additionally, hair transplants offer a permanent solution to hair loss. Unlike temporary fixes such as wigs or topical treatments, transplanted hair is your own natural hair, which means it will continue to grow and behave just like the rest of your hair. Moreover, advancements in technology have made hair transplant procedures more efficient and less invasive than ever before. Techniques like follicular unit transplantation, FUT, and follicular unit extraction, FUE, allow for precise and natural-looking results with minimal downtime. First off, cost can be a significant barrier for many people. It can generally range from $4,000 to $15,000. Hair transplants are considered elective procedures and are typically not covered by insurance, meaning out-of-pocket expenses can be quite hefty. Furthermore, like any surgical procedure, hair transplants carry certain risks, including infection, scarring, and in rare cases, unnatural-looking results. It's crucial to choose a qualified and experienced surgeon to minimize these risks. Before undergoing a hair transplant, it's essential to thoroughly research your options and consult with a board-certified surgeon who specializes in hair restoration. They can assess your individual needs and expectations to determine if you're a suitable candidate for the procedure. In conclusion, hair transplants can be a life-changing solution for those struggling with hair loss, offering permanent and natural-looking results. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully and consult with a qualified professional before making any decisions. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it informative. Don't forget to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts and experiences with hair transplants. Until next time, take care and embrace your journey to self-confidence.